Itinerary Travel CRM. My name is Sapna Sharma, and in this video, I will give you a complete overview of our travel CRM, and I will show you that how it help travel agencies manage their entire business from a single platform. CRM will simply organize your leads, itinerary, follow-ups, accounts, suppliers into one system. Start with the login point. You have to put your email or password here and then start and click here. This is your travel CRM interface, right? First module is setting. So you will click on this setting section. This section will help you to manage and customize your CRM and click on company profile. You have to update your company details like name, logo, all the mandatory details here, right? And this all things once you will update, okay? So click on update section and this is your company detail. Next, you can add greeting company, term and condition, and then policy here, although inclusion and exclusion part as well. So whenever you will create a new itinerary, you don't have to add manually. It will be automatically fetched in your packages. Here is bank detail, templates, company configuration. From here, you can set your minimum booking deposit amount, which is required for the at the time of booking. You can save from here. And next module is user and roles. So basically in next step, you can add all team members and decide what each users can access and which roles you will provide to them. You have to click and add users and you can give the same users access from this and you can select any role which you want to give to your agents. Next, if I talk about the next step, so next called integration. So under this integration, as of now, we do have Meta Live now. You can connect Meta leads, which comes from Facebook, Instagram. Integrate is inquiry section. It is a one-time setup only. Once you will set up all the leads, will import in your inquiry section over here. Okay, and apart from this, next comes you can add the Google Sheet. Before that, I will show you the Google Sheet. So click on this Google Sheet. So you can add Google Sheet from here. Then all query will automatically sync under inquiry section every 5 minutes. Next, talk about the communication. Under communication, there is notification control, there is channel, templates, escalation rules, and all. So you can manage email setting, notification, and messages templates from here simply. And apart from this, if I talk about the email SMTP, under this section you can configure your SMTP server for sending emails to the directly customer, right? And next, talk about the WhatsApp gateway. So we have official API provider, which is AI Sensei. We can configure AI Sensei for sending WhatsApp messages from here. So you have to purchase this and you will provide us to key and we will help you to set up this API. AI. Now we will discuss about the admin dashboard. So admin dashboard gives you to management team a complete overview of our business, right? And then overview. Under this overview, here admin can monitor total activities, inquiry, active itineraries, apart from this bookings, revenue, pending follow-ups you can see from here, right? And other important business metrics from a single screen. And now if I talk about the analytics, here admin can see overall conversion rate and the advance payment which is received from the customer and total revenue which is generated at the time of booking and top performing agent you can see from here. And in report section, instead of checking multiple reports, you can get a real-time snapshot of the entire business from here. So you can see total revenue, total inquiries, confirm booking, overall conversion in this section. Now there is agent dashboard. Within a agent dashboard, the agent dashboard is designed specifically for the sales executive. Here, agent can review daily schedule. So under this My Daily Schedule, agent can see schedule follow-ups, pending tasks, recent activities, right? Apart from this, like many more things, for example, the pending payments, right? So the agent can see from this section. Next is pipeline board. So under this section, agent can view their assigned inquiries, then gathering requirements, packages sent, and apart from this he can see confirm booking and booking conversion, all things you can the agent can see under the pipeline board. Next is analytics. Here agent can see their targets, performance and conversion rate and inquiry status. What is actually like how many queries he has active. So these all things he can see from here. And apart from this, monthly and the yearly performance trend he can see from this section. He has limited access to see the only the dashboard. Next module is supplier. Under supplier, here you can see all the suppliers, including hotel, transport provider, activity vendors. All the supplier you can see from this section. This all supplier you can have to add one time, and you can use the same supplier in multiple times, which will be save your time as well. Next module is packages. So within this package module, you can create and maintain your tour packages. You have to create and save every packages in one time only with complete detail. Instead of creating a new package from the scratch every time, your team can your team can reuse and customize existing packages within a minute and send directly to the customer from this section, right? So there is option of save, and once you will save it, you can download, you can send it through WhatsApp, email as well. Simply you can create a new package, otherwise select adjust package from here and send directly to the customer within a 2 to 3 minutes. Next module is route list. So under this module, you can store frequently used travel routes, right? You have to add a new routes for every destination and use the same while creating the itinerary. This help you to calculating transportation cost more efficiently. So next step will be inquiry. So under this inquiry module, every new inquiry is created and managed here. Whether the needs will come from WhatsApp, website, social media, phone calls, or any other sources, it can be recorded in this module only. You can see all the stages of every inquiry, like intake query, itinerary, payment, booking, outcomes, right? So you can say how many clients are into a payment page, right? How many clients are into a booking page. So these all stages you can see from here only. You can add new inquiry from here. There are two options. Okay. So one is import in bulk and second is inquiry. So, if I talk about this bulk, right? So, add in the bulk format, right? So, where you have to firstly download the sample. Once you will download, after that you have to put the data into it. Just in one click, you would able to upload the file into a system, and all data will integrated here only in inquiry section. Still, we have another option which is add a inquiry one by one format. You can add all mandatory data here. Suppose I'm adding the random data here, and then email ID and contact number and all you can fill up there, right? So then save inquiry. Once you will save the inquiry, it will directly reflect in your inquiry section. Even later on, you can also assign this query to any agent, right? So it will directly reflect here only. And so next step is how to work on query. You just have to click here Okay, so firstly, you have to gather all the requirements and create a itinerary from the scratch, or otherwise, you can select existing package and confirm. After that, you can just take the payments from the customer, and then in booking section, booking has been confirmed. Okay, so this all will be processed under inquiry only, and you can add the follow up from here as well. So next module is clients. So if I talk about the clients module, once the inquiry is converted into a customer details, converted right into a booking, the customer detail are maintained in the client module only. This provides a complete customer data base, correct? So for example, I have one clients which is Crest. I will show you. Okay, this is the client, right? So you can see this Chris like the previous bookings, contacts information, travel history, documents, communication record, along with the accounts detail. You can see all the mandatory details against this particular client in this client section. Next module is bookings. Here you can manage confirm booking and view. You can see hotel reservation, transportation, sightseeing, activities, travel dates, booking payments detail. All the details you can see in this booking section, and you can manage your booking from this section. If you want to some amendment, you can do from here as well. So next step is approval. So basically, many travel agencies require management approval before confirming booking, pricing, itinerary, and payments, right? So they will approve. The approval modules allow admin to review pending requests and approve or reject them. Correct? So all the pending approvals request, right? A rejected request you can see in this section in one screen only. So last module is accounts. So basically this module help you to keep track of your business finances. So under this money in section, you will records all payments received which is received from the customer end. You can monitor advance payment, total paid amount, pending balance. Apart from this payment history for every bookings you can see from this section. And next, talk about the money out. So basically, money out it is used to record all business expenses. This include payment made to transportation, hotel, activities provider, supplier, refund, other apart from this other expenses you can manage from here. So money in or money out module provide a clear overview of your business cash flow. So this is the main navigation of the Track Itinerary Travel CRM. Thank you.